What is going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be installing some Sparco aluminum foot pedals. You guys are probably wondering why I'm down here. That is why. I'm going to be changing out the pedals to these aluminum ones. These I ordered off of Amazon. They're like 40 bucks or whatever. So I'll be leaving a link down below if you guys are interested. These are pretty much universal pedals, so work on any car. They do require some drilling. You're going to have to take off the old rubber pieces on the old pedal, or your pedals, and then drill 2 holes and then mount them with the screws and hardware that they include. Alright, so let's get this video started. Alright, so here's the pedals. You have 3 of them, obviously. Now you got the 2 for the clutch pedal and the brake pedal, and then you got 1 for the accelerator pedal. So we're going to try to take these off. So when you go to take these off, they're all rubber, and they have like a little lip on it that you gotta it's kind of around it, so you gotta lift over and then pull off. The clutch and the brake pedal are the same way. Pretty simple. In the accelerator pedal, it's all plastic, so we'll just be strictly drilling right into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to want to do is clean these pedals off. Just make them look clean, get all the dirt and junk off of them. It's got like a lot of I don't know, residue. Almost looks like a glue. Alright, now that I got them all cleaned up, then we're going to want to get our first one. You're going to want a marker or something, so that way you can mark your holes. And then I'm hoping I'm getting that straight. I don't know, what do you guys do? You guys think it looks straight? I hope it does. And then you're going to want a 3/16 drill. Okay, and it'd also be a lot better. Start with a smaller drill first. And get your hole started. Now I got both of them pre-drilled. Looks like the holes line up decently. Now I'll move over to the bigger drill. Alright guys, so here's the first pedal I drilled 2 holes into, and then pretty much you'll just put this on, and then you'll get a couple flathead screws that come with it, and then a couple nylon lock nuts that'll screw on from the back, and then you'll screw them together, and that's how you do it. So I'm gonna come do the rest of them now, and then we'll see how they come out right after that. Alright, so I got these all loosely fitted in there with the nut just kind of hand tightened on the back. So I'm going to tighten them up now. And one thing I do have to say is when you drill these holes for the pedals, just be cautious of, I mean not cautious, but like just know where the thick part is on the foot pedal, so that way you don't drill into that. So that way you only have to drill through a thin piece of metal, because otherwise the screws aren't going to be long enough to be able to screw these pedals onto. So, and same with the accelerator pedal, it's plastic, and so there's a whole bunch of like rivs on the back of that you want to watch out for, because I think the top hole over here that I drilled, I'm gonna have to drill it out bigger because there's no room for the nut on the back. So just be cautious about that when you guys drill this out. Just plan out where the screw is going to probably come out through the back, so that way you don't have to drill more than one hole in your pedal to get everything to line up. Alright, you're going to need an Allen wrench, because that's what the screw has on the tip. Then you're going to need a 7mm socket so you can tighten it. Alright guys, so I want to just give you an update real quick. I got them all installed. It's looking pretty good. Here they are. So they look good. I hope they look straight. I might have to loosen them up. I think this one looks a little bit crooked, but there's a little wiggle room so you can kind of loosen them and straighten them up. But I think they look really good. I'm gonna clean up and get some nice good B-roll of how they look, and then feel them and then see how they feel with my feet and everything like that. Everybody says having that extra little bit of pedal over there helps with heel and toe, so we'll see how that goes. I mean, I'm not a big downshifter or anything like that, so, but we'll have to test them and see how they feel. So let's get this cleaned up. Alright guys, so this is them installed. I think they look great. I've always wanted to get some nice aluminum pedals for this car, especially now that I have a car with a clutch pedal. Makes more sense, and I think it just looks really good. It makes them just pop. Also too, I don't know if you guys have any better recommendations. I have these, I don't know if you can see them, they're called Weston mats. I think I bought these for like 50-60 bucks or whatever when I first bought the car, because they had no mats at all. But I hate them because there's no mat right over there, and it gets so dirty and all the dirt still falls underneath the mat. I don't know, what do you guys recommend? I'm looking for some new mats. Just tell me in the comments down below what you guys would recommend for some new floor mats. I have seen, I don't know if 3D Max Spider makes floor mats for this car. I have them in my Camry and I love them. They fit really good. So if you guys have recommendations for some all-weather floor mats for me, leave them down below in the comments so that way I can see them. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please smash that like button down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I'll see you guys next time.